It all started with a tire shop that was struggling to compete online. One of the biggest problems was collecting the reviews needed to show up where it mattered. Customers were willing to leave reviews, they just needed a more convenient way to do it. So we made it as easy as sending a text. It worked better than anyone had anticipated. This was our light bulb moment, and it unlocked so many more things that we could do for local businesses. Scheduling a dental cleaning? Just send a text. Curious if a dealership has the car you're looking for? Just send a text. Whether a customer connects from Facebook, Google, or text, with Podium Messenger, every interaction comes into a single inbox. Customers now had a convenient way to connect from almost anywhere online except for a business's website, which led to web chat, a new kind of chat tool for websites that help businesses capture more leads. It's a simple, easy to install button that starts the conversation online and then immediately takes it to text so it can continue without being tied down to a computer. Through texting, businesses are able to get unprecedented response rates. So naturally, they started using Podium to gather real-time insights from customers. We built Podium Feedback to streamline and analyze that information so businesses can quickly and confidently take action to improve. Not only do these products deliver a dramatically more convenient experience, they also deliver more customers, more revenue, and more growth. From the first tire shop to now over 25,000 businesses, we've seen again and again that convenience wins.